Class, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Before we start anything, let's pray to the God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Start with 3 times Omkara with a long breath. Okay? Let's start Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvaneyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvaneyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvaneyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Everyone, rub your hands. Put it on your face. Slowly open your eyes. Okay. Now you are become so peaceful. Okay. Guys, what we learned in our last video. Have you finished your work? Hope you all had finished your work. Are you doing your work daily and daily? If you do your work daily and daily, it's not a become a burden for you. Should do your work daily on time and eat a healthy food. Pray to God 3 times before eating, before sleeping, and then in the morning time when you wake up. Okay? Chalo. We learned in our last video addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. No anything is new on the number line. It's just forward counting. Okay? And today we are going to one more things, the properties of addition. What we have to learn today? Properties of addition. There is so many properties for addition. Just we have some properties, na? We are human beings. So what is our properties? Our properties is we have 2 eyes, we have 10 fingers, 2 hands, 1 nose, and 1 tongue, 2 ears, so many hands. Likewise, addition also have its own properties. This is the fact. It's called addition fact also, and this work is on in your textbook, page number 36. This page is same I am explaining on the board because it's so interesting. Chalo. Guys, write your dat and CW on your textbook. Where you have to write dat and CW? On your textbook, page number 36. And this is our chapter 3 continues. Okay, chapter 3 addition and subtraction 0 to 20. This is the same chapter. And addition fact. In your textbook there is written addition fact, means एडिशन की सच्चाई, एडिशन की सच्चाई जो एडिशन में ऑलरेडी होता ही है। एंड अगर उसका अनदर नेम इज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन, एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टीज। These things you have to keep in mind. It's very important. It's you have to never forget. इस चीज कभी आपको भूलनी नहीं है। It's very easy for to do addition, है ना? It's very easy for doing addition. Okay, चलो let's do addition. Have here 3 properties. Which one? 1, 2, and 3. Let's understand one by one. चलो, what is the first properties of addition? Addition fact 0. What is the fact of 0? Let's learn. When we WHEN, when we add 0 to a number means कोई भी एक नंबर में हम 0 ऐड करते हैं। When we add 0 to a number, the answer is the number itself. First listen, you already learned that 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Suppose I have no pencil, so chopstick. What I say? I have 0 pencil. Huh? Then if I have 1, then what I say? I have 1 chopstick. Okay? So 0 means nothing. So here your property is when we add 0 to a number, the answer या तो the sum is the number itself. Here is the property 1 plus 0, answer is 1. Itself means वही के वही. Itself means number itself. जब हम 0 ऐड करते हैं, answer is same number. या तो फिर sum is same number. The answer of addition is called sum also, है ना? The answer of addition is called sum. And when we add 0, जब हम 0 ऐड करते हैं to the any number, किसी में भी आप 0 ऐड करोगे, answer will be same. यही के यही itself. Listen, just I am writing here. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 में 0 ऐड करना means कुछ भी ऐड करना ही नहीं है. Here 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Likewise, if you are adding anywhere 0, the answer be same. This is just for your example. If you are adding 10 plus 0, answer is 10. This is the same number itself. Clear, guys? Hope you all understand. Okay, clear. This is the property of addition and it's a 0 property of 0. Addition is 0 properties. Okay, chalo. One more property is there. Addition fact. Second one is 1. 1 का क्या fact है? जैसे different parts of our body doing a different work, like eyes, we can see by eyes, we can write by our hands, we can smell by our nose, we can taste by our tongue. Likewise, 1 doing a different work, 0 doing different work, 1 doing different work. Different numbers has different properties. Okay, let's learn more properties of addition of 1. 1 की क्या properties? 1 वहाँ पे क्या रोल करता है? वो things. When we add 1, किसी में भी अगर 1 ऐड करेंगे, when we add 1 to a number means कोई भी नंबर में, 2 means कोई भी नंबर में, to a number we get next number. What we get? Next number. When we add 1 to a number, to a कोई भी to a number, we get next number. जब हम 1 ऐड करते हैं, आंसर आता है next number. 5 plus 1, 6. This is for example. 4 plus 1 is equal to, this is the 4 plus 1, it's be a 5. Okay. If you want to add 1 plus, so 9 plus 1. Answer is, this is the 9. 9 number is there. If you add 1, 9, this is the 9. 9 plus 1. 1 add here. What become there? 10. And 10 is the after number of 9. So your answer is 10 here. If you add 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. This is the 6. 6 plus 1. Answer be a 7. So 7 is the after number of 6. Hope you all are understood. And it's so easy, na? The properties of addition is so easy, but you have to keep in mind for a lifetime. Okay. But if you are learning this property, na, it's become very easy for your addition also. Right? No need to do. Sometimes you add. Just keep in mind, open your mind, and write your answer there. Okay. So one more property is here. Third property, when a change of place. Place change करने की property है ना. Look, in our body, it's a different in our body. Suppose your nose is here, है ना. It's look a distant. Suppose your nose is here to here, है ना. It's look very bad. उसकी जगह change हुई तो बहुत difference हुआ. Suppose your thumb is here, है ना. Your thumb is here. It's look very distant. Suppose your thumb is here to here. अगर यहाँ पे होगा तो, है ना. It's look very bad. But in addition, property change, no any difference. Property अगर उसी की प्लेस चेंज करते हैं तो कुछ फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं है. Likewise, if you are coming into school, है ना. आप स्कूल में आ रहे हो. One student is sitting in the first bench and last student is sitting in last bench. है ना. Teacher is teaching same work. सभी को सेम ही समझ में आएगा. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स एंड लास्ट स्टूडेंट्स. अगर यहाँ बैठे तो भी मैम वही समझाएगी और आप समझ पाओगे. अगर लास्ट में बैठे हो तो भी मैम जो एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं वो आपके दिमाग में सेम ही चीज जाएगी. क्लियर. सो यहाँ पे भी पोजीशन चेंज. पोजीशन ऑर्डर इन एडिशन. व्हाट इज द प्रॉपर्टी? ऑर्डर इन एडिशन. ऑर्डर चेंज करना. हियर टू देयर. हियर टू देयर. ओके. लुक, फर्स्ट लिसन. टू और मोर नंबर्स. दो और दो से ज्यादा नंबर कैन बी एडेड इन एनी ऑर्डर. द सम रिमेन्स सेम. सम में कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. लुक हियर, वन एग्जांपल. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Here is 7 first and 3 is in second place. In next sum, 3 is first and 7 is next number here. The second number, the answer is 10. Look here, 7 plus 3. 7 after 3 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10. So answer is 10. Here 3 is first. 3 after 7 fingers. 3 after 7 finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is no any difference. Both the answer is same. Clear? When we change the place, answer is same. Look here. This is the example. 4 plus 2 is equal to, and 2 plus 4 is equal to this. So let's count 2 plus 4. Sorry, 4 plus 2. 4 after 2 finger, 5 and 6. So answer is 6. Here 2 plus 4. 2 after 4 finger, 2 after 3, 2, 5, 6. Both the answer is same. Here is 2. यहाँ here is here. First place में second चला गया. यहाँ second था वो first आ गया. Clear guys? Hope you all are understand. इन माइंड, एक बार और रीड कर लोगे, अपने माइंड में सेट कर लोगे. एंड नेक्स्ट हियर लेट्स सॉल्व द सम्स. Here is the sums related to addition. I already written answer here. Just listen to look here. Same work. First question. Read with me. Look here. Write the missing numbers. Missing number हमें ढूंढना है. तो what is your first sum? 3 plus dash is equal to 3. 3 में हमने क्या ऐड किया तो 3 आंसर आया. सो ओपन योर माइंड, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग. व्हेन वी ऐड 0 आंसर इज सेम. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू ऐड हियर? 0. दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन एंड इट इज द 0 हियर. क्लियर? देन सेकेंड वन इज 1 plus 14. व्हेन वी ऐड 1 the answer is next number. Clear? I already explained that when we add 1, जब हम 1 ऐड करते हैं answer is next number. So 15 is after number of 14. Okay. Then next one is 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. So answer is 13. है ना? Here is equal to dash plus 7. Which property is here? Here is the order property. Which property is order property? या तो फिर in easy way you can say place property. If you are changing the place, no any difference. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. So 7 here is 6 plus 7. जो 6 यहाँ पे सेकेंड रो पे था, नेक्स्ट नंबर था, वो उसी को यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बना दिया है. Clear guys? Changing of the place. Now next one is 0 plus 18. What is the answer? 18. So here is 18 plus this. What is the same number? 18 plus 0, because this is the changing the place. Here 0 is first, here 0 is last. Here 18 is first, here 18 is last, 18 is first. This is the also the place property या तो order property. If you are changing the place, no any difference in a addition. Clear guys? Hope you all are understood these 3 properties, and today's your CW only explanation of this page. And today's your homework I am going to share table of 2 in your worksheet. You had already written in your notebook, but here for your practice, page number here is page number 41 in my worksheet. If page is changed in your worksheet, just you have to write table of 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times table of 2. What is today's homework in a worksheet? Table of 2 4 times. Clear? Before we depart, हम कुछ यहीं से चले जाए, उसके पहले we are what we do? We are going to speak the table. Your finger should be on your notebook where you had written your table. जहाँ आपने टेबल लिखा है वहीं आपकी फिंगर होनी चाहिए. I have not written in this, है ना? टेबल पे मैंने लिखा है. Just you have to speak after me. Let's start. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. 4 zeros are 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. 5 zeros are 0. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Okay students, you have to speak able daily before you go to bed. Okay, and whenever you want to listen, open this video and start speaking with me whenever you get a time. Okay students, bye bye. We will meet in next videos. Have a nice day.